Welcome back to Grill This Smoke That. Today we're doing smothered grilled chicken on the Blackstone. Let's get it. This is one of the first recipes I ever started making, inspired by Texas Roadhouse. In case you haven't noticed, I start almost every cook with BaconUp right on the griddle. It's real bacon fat, sold in this container in stores. You can also find it in my Amazon storefront using the link in my bio. Starting with our vegetables today, I have 1 whole sweet onion, 2 bell peppers, and 1 container of sliced baby bella mushrooms. We're gonna add some butter and some salt and pepper. These grinders and the spatula holder can be found in the Amazon storefront link in my bio. And then a little bit of garlic powder. Sometimes we'll leave the vegetables with just that. Today I'm gonna add some W sauce. Now for the chicken, I had 2 large boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I sliced them thinner and I put my favorite marinade on them for about 5 hours today. The key to juicy chicken is 165 degrees. So I have my thermopin here. I'm gonna be checking the temperature throughout the cook. Here's a closer look at the vegetables and then of the chicken with that beautiful color. When the chicken's closer to being done, I like to combine them all together to get some of the flavor from those vegetables cooked into the chicken. It also helps keep the chicken from drying out. Gonna get a quick temperature reading of the chicken. The chicken's within a few degrees of being done. So I'm gonna cover them up with the vegetables. Then I'm gonna take provolone cheese and lay it across the top. And my daughters don't want vegetables, but they do want the cheese. To get that cheese to melt quickly, we're gonna throw the dome on. The cheese is melted, the vegetables are done, the chicken's done. Let's eat, y'all. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. It'd be awesome if you'd click that logo in the bottom left-hand corner to subscribe to my channel, and maybe even check out one of my other videos shown on the right. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.